It's a tough competition. These other guys, they came to win.
It's tough. I think the problems that we're going to see are a little more technical than I had expected.
The competition's definitely challenging. Didn't make it very easy.
You really had no idea what you were getting yourself in for.
You come in thinking like, how much can you guys mess with these machines? They're messed up pretty good.
The problems that you're putting into these machines are not necessarily problems that I've seen yet. It's the knowledge that you walk away with after the competition that's quite valuable.
I would hope that at the end of the day, the technicians learned how to work better with different people, whether it's asking another technician for help, whether it's asking one of us for help.
I hope that all these technicians can take back a little more in-depth troubleshooting skill, take a step back, and not overthink the problem.